There's an interesting experiment that you can do. You can take some flies and put them in a big jar like this and put a lid over the jar, and you do that for a couple of days, and then you remove the lid, and you'll find that 99.9% of the flies won't be able to get out of this jar, even though there's no lid now at the top. As a result of that initial sensory experience, the flies and their body mind, whatever that is, we'll come to it in a moment, have structured a commitment to themselves that this is the limit of the universe. So they can never escape from it except for a couple of pioneers who can manage to get out. In India, when they train elephants, they do a very interesting thing. They take a baby elephant and they tie it with a flimsy rope to a small plant, something like a little Christmas tree, and they do that for a few weeks. And then when that elephant grows up to be a big, huge animal, you can now tie the elephant with an iron chain to a tree, and it will snap the iron chain with one movement, or better still sometimes, walk away with the tree. But if you take that flimsy rope, that same green color, and tie it to the old green twig, it won't be able to escape. It's made a commitment in its body mind that that's a prison.